Let's get a mic check 1, 2. Let's get a mic check, everybody. Let's get a mic check going. Sorry about the interruption that we just had. Let's go. Just had to do the old reboot the router trick. I know it's been a long time since I've had to do that. Good. All right. So let me Control-Shift-R everything here. All right, we're coming into narrow state on the 2-minute. This is looking juicy. This is looking good. Coming into narrow state on the 2-minute. What we want is we want all of them to come together and kind of read the same price here. Right back into the P-shaped profile. Yeah, you can't. Yeah, you can't. You can't give it two options. You can only give it one. And so it said, yes, you must. Yeah, you must put shoes on. I had sleep on, and I had to put my shoes on. Not had to, but I chose to get completely dressed. All right, what a morning, folks. The old internet hiccup. Oh, as Lexi just told me, all I could do is control the controllables. Now remember, just like yesterday proved, we don't know which way this is going to move from narrow state. As much as we would love to say it's going to go up and move back through all-time highs and do all this other fancy fandango stuff, it doesn't have to, right? It can go right back down, go into position 1 to the downside. Flippy floppies for life. Majestic foot tan lines. He called his tan lines majestic. Let's go. Welcome back to Mid Keltner. I've got quite the farmer's tan. I don't know. I'm not really tan. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's not terrible. I'm a pretty fair-skinned fellow. Fair-skinned fellow. Perma sucks. This P-shaped profile, though, folks. P-shaped profile at all-time highs. What do we do with it? Uh-oh. Look at how they tried to run an all-time high of 2 ticks there. Did you guys see that? Oh, how quickly we forget what's about to happen in 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh, how quickly we forget. Do you have really big squirrels there? We have huge squirrels, big gray tree squirrels. Look like a cat running across the road. Yeah, that's a chipmunk. Chipmunk is no tail. Squirrel is tail. We do have a green overtakes red. Everything is starting to point up. Do they get through on that volume profile? Do they get through the P shape, or is this where the supply dwells? Right, 38 over under, watching 40-25 or 35-25. Yep, and the VAH is 39.25 right now. 39. Because if you think about it, it's outside normal distribution. 39 right here. The most important thing right now is this volume profile here. We're at a P shape at all time highs. Are they unloading up here? Or is someone accumulating all of this distribution, right? Because a P shaped profile is distribution. Do they overcome the distribution above 39.50 or not? 39.25 or not? And everyone, welcome. Welcome back to the stream, I guess we would say, right? And I know that I'm not going to be shorting anything at all time highs. That's definitely not going to happen. Yeah, everybody, please hit that like button. This is a new stream. Thank you for reminding us. Thank you. Smash that like button. Right now, we're waiting to see what happens from Mid Keltner, from P shaped profile, from VPOC. We tested VWAP. What now? What now is what we're asking the market. Right now, they're finding supply. Finding supply. Welcome back to VPOC, everybody. Holy moly. Okay, when it bids 39, what do they do to it? Okay, or what if it doesn't bid 39? Yeah, they're just lowering the bid. That's all they're doing. You can see it on the tape. Okay, they're finding supply at 38.75. Does that continue? Okay, they're pulling the bid. They pulled it. It only traded 70 times at 8.25. Yeah, they're pulling the bid. Let's see how hard they pull it here. There they go. There they go. There they go. Boo! Can the buyers overcome it? It's not even really trading, right? They're not really hammering it, right? They're not hammering it at all, matter of fact. They're pulling the bid. What I mean by that is removing it instead of trading on it. Look. Okay, now they removed the offer. Do you see that? Nothing even traded on it. Boop. Repricing. Okay, right back to 38. 38 is our P-shaped volume profile mode, aka VPOC. We need it to move away from VPOC for us to get any action. Rest of our lives on holiday. Watching 35.25 or 40.25. Look at, we're almost in position one. Almost. Now remember, almost is almost. This is not horseshoes or hand grenades, folks. This is a game of math. And show me the almost sign, if you would, please. Watching 39 bid, if possible, could ignite. Okay. Or they're going to bid it and nothing's going to trade higher than it. 9 to 9.25. That's what I'm watching. Or the lack thereof, because they are struggling to get any sort of bid going on here. All right, so here it comes the uptick. Watch the uptick. Okay, so 53 sold, 53 sold, 57 sold, 138 sold. Okay, there they go. Right as, see, look right here. This is the deciding factor right here, this number right here. See? How did he know? Folks, how did he know? Mm-mm. VAH 39. Do they take profit before Powell starts talking? Or do they run it into all-time highs, but right before he starts talking or right as he starts talking? 39 over under, 39 on the bid over under, period. Stops up. Stops up. 38 stop. He shoots. He scores. 42.75 final. Let's frickin' go. Get it, boys and girls. Get it. Stops up. Stops up. You don't want this bar to go red. Stops up. 39 stop. Let's get it. Let's get it. Where'd my music go? Hello? All right, so trade with me. You know what I want you to do now? I want you to do it again. Why did my music stop? Hello? Hello? Yes. Yes. Let's play. Ah, position 1. Good. Upper Keltner was hit, folks. I'm gonna attach my order to Upper Keltner. 42.25 is my target now. Now to do that, you hold down the control key and click on the order. See it? $39 stop. All right, Powell in 1 minute and 30 seconds at all-time highs. Whoo-hoo, baby. This is spicy. Looks like they found supply, though. They're going to have to overcome this. There's no reason they don't shove this right back to the VPOC on us. That's why I'm protecting my profits. Oh, the weird thing that I'm seeing here though is your bid and offer is not going limp, right? You're not. They're not removing the liquidity. They're actually the liquidity is still here. If you look at these bids and offers here, they're still high, right? They haven't gone to single digits or low double digits. They need my one contract at 39. I have a feeling they're going to take that first before they go up. 15 seconds till 10 a.m. New bar opening. Yeah, no, Reginald, why would you even think like that? You're wasting mental energy. Your bandwidth is shot thinking about like that. Period. You guys see my order going up? You see it? Now it's 42.50. He shoots. He scores. What if? I'm going to say what if? What if? What if this turned into a bell-shaped curve? Could you think of the disgust on the shorts' faces? They're going to retch, right? And we're going to go. We're going to have that. Let's go, everybody. Come on. We freaking nailed it. Boom. Look, here's the trade. Tell me if you see it. Tell me if it was good or not. Look at my entry. Look at my stop. Money. There's another entry you wouldn't have gotten filled, though. Do you guys see it? At the same price, 2 ticks higher, 1 tick higher. It was pre-positioned 1. You are confirmed. You are correct. You are not delusional, and you are not seeing things. It was pre-position 1. Yes, it was. But boy, when it moved into position 1, ooh, baby. Last call for alcohol. Last call. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. I'm sorry. We are in position 1 at all-time highs. If you think about shorting, I'd like you to leave this room. Thank you. It'll tell us when to short. It will tell us when to short. You like that, Niall? I was going to be rude, but I thought, yeah, it's a public stream. Now, here's what I don't like about going long. Everybody, before we jump into just taking a trade, right? I want you to think about this. Is it prudent, based upon risk and probability, to take a long off of upper Keltner as opposed to taking a long off of lower Keltner in position 1? Now, because this is a binary execution, if we have to take this trade, we just take it with the smaller size. Stacy's mom has got it going on. The problem is they could take this right back to VPOC without even thinking about it, right? So watching 38, right? Taking a long off of the upper Keltner doesn't make as much sense as waiting, just like I said, waiting for it to come off of lower Keltner and go long, right? So it's coming off of upper Keltner. That says be careful. And then where did I move it to? I keep losing my volume profile. This, okay, so think about going long at 40, whatever that was, right? Think about it. Our stop would have been on the most agreed upon price by volume. There's the drip, right? There's the P-shaped profile. Keltner Trading. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. $35s. There they go, right off of upper Keltner. Lower Keltner's 32.50. Right where that hole is, folks. Right where that hole is. Now, do they get there? I don't know. Okay. VAL 35, 35, 25. Okay. I think we go right back to VPOC here at 38. I think it's attached to it. Bink. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take that. Thank you. Thank you. Revert back to the mean trade there. Off of your 35 bid. Were you guys watching that? Careful on this bar. Careful on this bar. This bar has to go through 38.50 right now. Otherwise, this is a sell bar. That's a gem, right? Take the tail out. That's a gem. At all-time highs. Ugh. It's got to go 38.50 now, like now, 39 right now. And it has to start closing there. But we have 1 minute and 13 seconds till this bar closes. There is a conundrum, a quagmire for the longs here, folks. What do we got going on? Oh, baby. Hello, ladies. Let's not forget the P-shaped profile. Yeah, there's Mancini 42 first target, he says. Uh, 42 first target today, tagged and dipped. As posted, this is truly an extreme run. Now going 1 week and 135 points without a dip large enough to trigger a trailing stop. Once a year event, all bonus now. Once a year event. 42, 52, 76 if ES wants it. 27.30 supports. We dip below 15. Thank you, Mr. Huggy Bear. Is everything? And here it comes. 32 coming. 32 coming. You've got a 15 cars traded at 32.25 only. So you have a value gap. See, I told you guys this is a sell bar if it doesn't go 38.50s right now. And look at it go. Look at it go. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I won't tell you a damn thing. Who likes Three Doors Down? I love this band for some weird reason. Updating my Mancinis. Bear with me for a second here. Okay, there's your 39s. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hello, folks. $30 seconds. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, shorts. Uh-oh, shorts. Okay, here's your high to high trend line. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. And everything you mean. Canceling my order. No fill. Stops up. Oh, shit. Did I get filled? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Ooh. Ooh. That's a tasty burger. A tasty burger. Oh, baby. 37.75 is my stop, apparently. Apparently my my auto trail kicked in. All I did was join the bid, everybody. All I did was join the bid. Okay. I said it. I said it earlier. All I did was join the bid. That's it. 35 was a massive bid. Okay. I had a 3-point stop just because if it goes below the 32s, we got a problem, right? 32.25 or 32.75 or whatever it is has 15 contracts traded at it. Okay, my stop is 37.75 now. I am very nicely green. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, sure, you betcha. Come on. You don't need my one contract. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You don't need my one contract at 775. No, no, no. Go up. Gabels. Uh-oh. Let me explain why I was saying uh-oh shorts. Okay. Let's come back to reality here, right? Let's all seriousness, okay? Don't worry about whether I'm green or red. Let's get that out of the way, right? Okay. Uh-oh shorts is remember the narrative. 38.50 has to print, and like I said, right now, right? So then they take it down to 35, and then they print 39. Uh-oh shorts. Whoop, right up to the 41.50s, stopped all the weak shorts out, and now it can do whatever it's going to do, right? We don't know what it's going to do now. I would love for it to go up and not hit my 37.75 stop. That's not what I'm talking about. Right back into first position on that green bar, watching 40, watching 40, watching 40. The problem is your stop is right where we don't want it. I am not going to take this trade because the stop is in the wrong spot. If this fires at 40, I'm not taking it. Or I'm not going to add to the trade that I'm in. $37.75 is my stop for my 35 long. They are probing. They are leaning into the bid now. They are going to trigger this. They are leaning into the bid. Here it comes. Bye-bye trade. It was fun. Now, if it doesn't, now here's the deal. It just went 38 offer. It just went 38 offer. If this runs, this thing's gone to 44. Because that would be considered a pinprick, right? At 38. Completed business, right? It traded on the offer. And I did not get stopped out. 37.75 is my stop. I know they want it, though. They need my one dirty contract. No, they just completed business at 39.50. Yuck. Go. 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 See? Go. Shawshank Redemption. Chicago. Now they just did it at 9.75. See? They can't find a new buyer. They're leaning into the bid. I forgot Powell's talking. He's actually testifying. We're long through skewed right distribution. What do you guys think about that? Wow. Wow. There's no way we go above 40, folks. It's not possible. I'm sorry. 40 is the ceiling. We will never go higher. Never, ever. 56.40 is the top of the stock market. Oh, Jerome. VAH 39.50. Next. All right. While we're at the VPOC, there's nothing for me to do. I am nicely green. I am nicely green, folks. Let's get it. Do they overcome the distribution is the question, or not, right? I mean, because the P-shaped profile says they're leaning into the bid. What happens if they stop leaning? What happens if they accelerate it? Okay, sitting at VWAP and VPOC. No, thank you. They're dripping this thing. They need all the supply they can get. There they go. So my stop at 37.75 was absolutely beautiful as far as I'm concerned. Nothing to see here. Nothing to trade. Back into chop. Back into the chop. Back into narrow state on the 2-minute. This is beautiful, actually, for the setup. Not that there's a trade here, but boy, hello. Hello there, ladies. All right, while we're sitting here right in the middle, okay, what we're waiting for is the pattern in the chart below me to repeat what we just saw. If it doesn't repeat what we just saw to the up or the downside, I'm not interested, right? It needs to move into position 1 from a narrow state. Okay, this is what we're looking for. And it can do it to the downside. You just flip this on the x-axis. It doesn't matter which. This is beautiful. What's funny is I feel like I feel like I'm red, and I'm very green, or nicely green, I guess. Okay, here comes your 3250s. It has to fill. It has to fill. It can't go unattended. All right, your high to high that became support just triggered. Look at this. Lower Keltner, welcome back. It is a sword on a 15-minute chart. Yeah, that is an inverted hammer. You are correct. There's your 30 Mancini. There's your 30 Mancini. Instant bounce from 30 to 34. Look at that in a fraction of a second. You've got a hole at the bottom of the volume profile at the footprint. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, shorts. Uh-oh, shorts. It was like a slow motion train wreck for the longs. Once that 38 failed, folks, the tape was all over but the crying for the longs. Well, it only filled. Well, it would be the opposite, Bill. It would be a trigger, right? The resting orders, you'd see them as limit. And at 30.50, there wasn't 660 contracts bid. There was like 130, maybe 230, and 660 traded. Decision point right here now, folks. One tick Rick got you, huh? $30.42. Starting to get a right skewed bell-shaped curve as opposed to a P. So they're showing distribution. Now, we talked about this at 8 a.m. 2.5 hours ago. When they're showing a P-shaped bell curve, it means distribution. Point proven. Yes, always. Simple stats 201. So it wouldn't be accumulation distribution in stats 201. It would be more of a distribution type model, right? How are the numbers just distributed, not as opposed to the supplier demand distribution accumulation? But yes, it would be skewed left. Yeah, lowercase d, right? A lowercase d is accumulation. $31.50 was your target if you shorted 33.75. Here's what it looks like. No, I did not take it. And actually, I just had my offer in there, and I canceled it as I was saying it. It would have came up, printed, and now it's at its target. It wouldn't have filled me. Only 33 contracts actually traded. See, look at that. I had a 33.75 offer. It wouldn't have filled me, so it doesn't matter, right? So, but 31.50 is your target. Here's what the trade looks like. Definitely skewed right bell shape as opposed to P-shaped now. They're filling in, right? So if they're filling in underneath the belly of the P, right? What are they distributing even more? Lower Keltner. $34. Watching Lower Keltner. We're at VAL. $34 over under. Can they get it back to V. Wappleton? Decision point right here. 35.50. Decision point right here. Okay, stops up. Okay, 34 stop. Free trade. Stop up one more tick. 34.25. Free trade. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I have it attached to my view app. That's why you see it as a different number. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. He shoots. He scores. All right. Looking good. Looking good. Golf clap, everybody. Hunt your VWAP, Joe. Hunt your VWAP. Never, Rob. He's eternal in your sleep. Move your stop up, Joe. I went VWAP. Completed business at 37. Over under is 34.37. Let's get 37.25 for Joe, folks. No more one ticky. No mas one ticky. This is for Joe right here. It's going to print right here. This is for Joe. Joe, move that stop up. The VWAP's in the way, Joe. Tell him. Get out of my way. Tell him. And remember why it's so hard to get to that next one tick, right? Oh, completed at 37. Joe, you're next. Joe gets filled. Let's go, Joe. Gabels, notice I did it with one contract, not 2, 3, 4, or 5. I'm no hero, guys. But I am freaking green. $41 has 400 contracts. $41 has 300 contracts. Now they have the offer spread across 40 to 42. They're peppering it up there, folks. Let's go, Joe. Let me show you the trade. Right there's the trade. And Joe, I went out at VWAP. I knew they were going to give trouble at that 725. Those rat bastards, right? Because here's the deal, folks. Now that we know what we know about the algorithms, we're not even trading against the algorithms. We're not even trading with them, right? We're trading our own business, and the algorithms are creating the candles. The algorithms are not trading this price action, right? It's really a unique dynamic that those quantitative algorithms, the approach that they take, right? Oh, whoa, whoa! Look at the 2-minute KISS chart. Whoa! Decision point right here, right now, right here, right now. And I don't know if it's long or short. We are in narrow state, folks. This is exactly what we want. We want it to tell us which way it's going to go from this level. I'm going to step away for just a second. I'll be right back, folks. I am very nicely green. Okay, there's today's trades. Okay. We are deep inside narrow range. Don't you guys have this information on your charts? Why do I ask that question? Okay, high to high. Shorts. Folks, we nailed the bottom of that. We nailed the bottom of that bad boy. Right here. Oh, baby. High to high, decision point right here. Back to all-time highs, folks. What do you think? Sure, why not? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Anyone still long? Good job if you are. There's nothing for me to trade right here. We are in a really peculiar place. Perfect. Coming in a narrow state in this 37 area on the 2-minute KISS chart. We must respect it. Tighten them up if you are. Yes, and to be very clear, the way that Elijah is identifying narrow range is we are the narrowest range from high to low, high minus low, of the last 7 trading days. Therefore, so you use an ATR of 1 to find it, right? And then we are narrow range. And so we use our narrow range Keltner channels when we are inside the narrowest range of the last 7 days. Yes, it's very difficult trading. You have to have a plan for trading the narrow range 7. Now we have a huge bull 180 on the 15-minute chart. Oh my gosh, folks. Folks. Oh boy. Oh boy. $42 Mancini. Folks, you guys aren't taking out July 4th. That's why. TradingView takes out July 4th. There's your answer, Gabel. We really could 48 Mancini, right? We have our marching orders. It's actually 52, not 48. I'll be right back. This is perfect narrow state, folks. Oh, baby. All right, the poll's out. Green or red today? Right back into the narrow state, folks. Look at this. It's going red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. Oh, baby. Think of the people that are getting trapped right here. Long and short. All right, I got a question for everyone. Okay, well, here's the deal. Here's the deal. While we're sitting at VPOC, we got to be very careful at what we're doing. Okay, here's my question. I want everyone to answer this. What are you grateful for today? What are you grateful for right now? I'm grateful that I get to sit here all day with you guys and trade. Well, all day being till noon. What are you grateful for? I'm grateful for 38. Oh, no, no, no. This is much better. As you can see, my trading results are much higher, much more successful when I only do it 4 hours a day. 38. Narrow state. Engulfing bars at VWAP, at VPOC. What do they do? What's the decision? Do they pop it or drop it, folks? Which way do they go? And I don't have an answer for that. Yes. The answer's yes. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. They're leaning into the bid. Do they continue to do it? Let's go. That's wonderful. Look at the 20 simple curling straight up, negating any sort of like aggressive sell. Look at that. That is impressive. It's like, why can I not get this thing to go lower? Why is it not just shoving lower? Oh, the 20 simples pointing straight up in the air. Watching 35.25 to see if they get it. Yep, they got it there. There it is. Okay, out. Little scalp, 35.25 to 36.25. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Gabels. Thank you, VAL. And I took 4 ticks. 4 ticks. And I literally had a 5 tick stop. I was wrong if it went below 34. The over-under is 38. The W would be created at 38.75. Mr. Rob, I agree with that statement. We have to be very careful because inside the narrow range, we hit the upper part of it first. So taking a pullback long here is very, very tough because the risk is lower Keltner. So that's why there's a slight bias short. Or sell side slight bias. All right, new Mancini. Precise technicals in the ES. 5630 was support as posted. 5642 first target. We dipped to 5630 exactly. Rallied to 42 exactly. As posted, we only start a micro dip when support fails. 42, 52, 76 if ES wants. Keep holding risk-free runners. Dip below 30 weak now to 56.15. Now, what he means by weak is it's been touched more than once, right? Am I saying that correctly? Or it has been taken. I see. So it has been taken, and so now it's weak because it's touched already before, and we're coming back to it. Okay. Okay, I have those numbers as well. 15. Make sure I have 15 on there. Yep. Okay, I'm still locked in. Yeah, we're chilling, right? We're just mapping stuff out, constantly creating thesis or hypothesis. Oh yeah, 2 eggs over easy with some Tabasco sauce. Let's get it. $42 double tap. Imagine that. I mean, think about this. Not imagine that. Think about this. We had these lines before they printed. Look, 30, 42. Look, we put those up here, like right here, at this time frame. Wow, he's too good. He's too good. I'm sorry. Adam Mancini is too good at charting. He's too good. Hopefully his execution is as good as his charting. Because if it is, wow, that guy's rich. Yeah, folks. Wow. Huggy Bear, lay it out, and we play it out. That's right. That is the confirmation, sir. It is confirmed that is what happens. VAL holding. Here's what we mean by VAL. This shaded blue area is 65% of the volume by price. So the outsides of it are outside of value. Right now, we are inside value. 65% of the traded volume agrees that this is the price. It's getting heavy. Folks, this P shape is getting heavy up here. Distribution is at its finest, right? Yeah, Robert, I don't think there's any possible way that you couldn't trade. Like ICT, that stuff is to try to explain, to try to understand that would be almost impossible, right? All of the stuff. But with Mancini, right? Like, I don't think you have to understand what he's doing. It's weird. It's weird. Because I would fully love to understand what he's saying. Do they need to test 29 first? I couldn't tell you anything about Mancini's stops. I just know that he says trail him once he hits targets, right? Let's go, Seth. Mr. Seth is leaving the building, everybody. People want to believe, it's going to give us an ad in 30 seconds. People want to believe that this is some sort of complicated mechanism. People want to believe that this is some sort of complicated mechanism. Yeah, which makes 30, right? And so that's why I'm saying, like, do they do the 29-point stops and then reverse it? Because 30 to 27 is our big numbers below us. It'll tell us when it's going to flip, guys and ladies. It will tell it. Look, you guys know damn well it will tell us when it's going to flip, right? It'll flip right into position one. You'll be like, oh, it's go time. Other than that, we're chilling, just talking about what could happen, right? We're not, and think about it. In other rooms, they're speculating. Folks, we're not speculating. We're creating thesis and hypothesis. Either the market proves or disproves them. It's that simple. Okay, your VAL has shifted lower. So are they starting to accumulate at these lower levels? I'm going to eat my eggs. Mr. Scott, it's been great hanging with you today, bud. Congratulations. That is a milestone. Let's go. See you tomorrow. I love it. I love it when you guys are just done 2 hours into your trading day. Just, all right, see ya. If you're sick of feeling like you're guessing when you're trading or the results just aren't what you want, that's when you schedule a call with me. I'm not a believer of this yet. Where's the location? I don't see the location. The over here we had a location over here. We don't have a location here yet. We had a location here. I don't have a location. Are we just going to assume that this is a higher low? The only location I do see is VAL. Is that enough? Is that the price that they're going to agree upon? I'm not so sure about that. Now, it is one of those weird candles that opens below the red instead of closes below the red. And they rat holed the rats. They just rat holed the rats. At the downsloping 8 EMA. Does it print lower Keltner before it goes up? Do they test the 29s first? Do they stretch that VAL or not? All right. See you tomorrow, Robert. Great job. Yes. The answer is yes. All right. Let's see. The poll's looking pretty dang good. Let's go ahead and end it there. That's a beautiful poll. Love it. Love it. 65% green. Absolutely fantastic, folks. Fantastic. Looks like they're leaning into the bid. They're going to drip this thing lower. Okay, watching 3450. Yeah, I am not taking it. I just have it drawn. And you may not even get filled in it. And here's the deal. If it goes green, right, you probably don't want it. Let's go. Great trade. Nice. So the P shape is, the skewed right distribution, the skewed right bell curve, folks. It doesn't lie. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Lower Keltner. Yeah, it's heating up, right? But which way does it go is what we are working on here. Yeah, they're leaning into the bid. Confirmed. Confirmed. Now, see this 3450, that would have hit your target, but we didn't get filled. Unless you sold the breakdown of this green bar, you didn't get filled. This is what it looks like. Now, why would we take that one as opposed to any other trade, folks? Who's going to give the answer? Type it in. Why was that short marked as opposed to all other ones? One answer. And think about this. Was it scary to think about taking that trade? Was your muscle memory going, no, no, no? Hmm. Hmm. Carry on. Carry on. Think about this. Think about the people that are playing the 15-minute chart and they're long from 39, let's say 39 and a half, and they have a stop of 29 and a half. Are they adding down here? Or are they anticipating it to come down and just stop them out? Mancini down here is 27 to 30. Lower Keltner cannot take any more shorts. Shorts are out. Shorts are out. I don't really see any volume on the footprint that would change anything. They had to fill the gap at 33.25. Now do they just hammer it? Or is this the bottom? Do they need to test 29.50 one more time or not? We have about 29 minutes left of the stream, everybody. It's been a pleasure. It has been absolutely fun today. A little bit of hiccup with the internet, but we got this thing. We got it working all right. Please make sure your live button is red. We've had a little bit of trouble with that today with the latency here. We appreciate your patience. $15-minute looks pretty bearish. Decision point. Decision point. I am not taking this short because we hit lower Keltner. I would want a short from upper Keltner, right? Like this last one at 34.50. We already hit lower Keltner, right? So I'm not going to say, oh, it's going to go hit it again. No, I want. It's coming from the wrong angle. $33 over under. Volume, tape is speeding up. Bids and offers are speeding up. Okay, right back into VAL. Right back at VAL. Can they hold value area? Ask the market this question. Don't ask yourself. Ask the market. If they were looking for a higher price, did they get all that they wanted below value price? Or not, right? The other side of it is or not. On the other side of that, you would say, okay, so they're selling it below value price. If it goes back into value price, are they getting all they can eat to continue to have supply below value? And that's what I'm actually asking the market right now, because we're at VAL, right? This is the decision point. Because look at how it's stretching lower. The P is getting fatter. They're filling it in. Does it become a bell-shaped curve distribution? Distribution curve? There's a lot of volume at 3450. There was 1,500 contracts exactly 1,500 contracts traded at 3450. Imagine that. Imagine it being an exact number, folks. $34 over under on the 15-minute chart. In a trap, trip I can't grip. Never thought I'd be the one who'd slip. Then I started to realize. $34 over under 15-minute chart. It really, so if we think about the skewed right distribution, this thing is supposed to drop. Okay, where's the drop? Is it subdued? Or has the drop already happened? That's what we're asking the market. Because folks, distribution is distribution. Stats 201 is stats 201. It doesn't change. It doesn't matter if these are a number of cases in the measles department, okay, or the height weight distribution. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing, right? Look at this. Look, here comes some weight. I have 33 as the over under. 34 on the 15-minute chart, which you have 6 minutes till that bar closes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes, Slim Shady, you're on. There's the dippers. There's the dippers. Mom spaghetti. I have never tried it. I don't. Yeah, I think that's only in Detroit, right? And by tape, 3450, because it traded exactly 1,500 contracts. That's not a coincidence. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. That's pretty funny. Let it go to waste. Yeah, that's what everyone from Michigan says. Is you don't really frequent. Hurry up and wait, everybody. Hurry up and wait. Never leads to nothing. Closer to the prize at the end of the road. This is another head fake. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. It will show us clarity. It'll give us Claritin. Camillo, I'm listening to All My Life by Foo Fighters. It's pretty intense, too. Oh, we all need Claritin. Look at the battle of the supply that keeps coming in at VAL. Is that saying, okay, look, we're just pausing for the next move down. Longs, you better prepare. Okay. Or are they accumulating all the supply down here to taparoo back up to the VPOC, right? Just think about this chart. Don't think about anything else in this case. Do they have everything they need to push it higher? Okay. Or is this bell-shaped curve skewed right? Not really a P shape anymore. And it's normalizing distribution. 33 is my over under, just my tape read, right? And then by footprint, 3450. Now, let me show you where I get the 3450. Right here. See this? Look at how it mathematically, very arithmetically, simple arithmetic. 742 plus 758 equals. Okay. Now think about that. How could it randomly equal an even number? Watch. It can't. It screws the algorithms up. It's too clean. It's too easy. It's not exploitable. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, shorts. You better make a decision right now. Right now. Watch them just flatten this market. Folks, I'm just narrating here. Monologuing. I mean, think about it. We don't even have the 8 EMA crossing above the 20 yet. There's no reason to look for a long. Not yet. We may be a little late to it, but that's okay, right? the crush would be 29.50 right now. That would be the crush, wouldn't it? Just look at the chart. 29.50 would be the. I don't know why I have that drawn that way. Did it move? It must have moved. Dynamite. Last Resort by Papa Roach. You guys are all welcome. You're welcome. There's no way we print 35 quarter, folks. There's no way. There's no way we print. There's no way we go 35 bid. Oh my God, we went. Oh my God, we went 35 bid. We printed 35 quarter. There's no way we go to 36.25. It can't happen. It can't. One tick, Rick, you little rat. You rat. This guy's a rat. Get out of there. You better feel me. Through, you little devil. Do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look, the trade is drawn. I entered here. Took some heat. Took some heat. He shoots. He scores. Stops up. Folks, we're talking a banger day today. Ooh, baby. One more has got to go out. Attaching it to order flow VWAP. Thank you. Can we get 50? Can we get 36.75? There's no freaking way he gets. He shoots. He scores. Upper Keltner, folks. Is there a way to get it? Is there a way to get the Upper Keltner? Is it even freaking possible? Stops up again. Tighten them up. If this bar goes red, that's a Lexi trade, and you don't want to be in it. Yeah. Uh-oh. Stops up. I'm going to put it on the 8 EMA. I'm taking another one off at 3.6 if I get it. Another one at 3.6. I'll have one left. I just feel like I'm too heavy from the place that I'm in from. Stops up 35. It's doing it automatically. Trailing. Let's get it. Let's get it. Upper Keltner's the target. That was a good song. What was that? All right, Reginald, have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Now, remember when I told you that I wasn't taking the short? The short didn't look right because the short was not correct. Let me say that a different way. Not only did it look not look right. It wasn't correct because a short off of lower Keltner when we've proven that there's a lack of supply underneath there. This is turning into a banger, folks. Oh, baby. Last trade of the day for me. Let's go ahead and get the review going. All right, traders, this is going to be the review for the morning session. What we got here is we've got narrow range. When we're the narrowest range of the last 7 days, what we're going to do is we're going to put our Keltner channels on the 2-minute chart with a 20, 2.5, and 0 setting. What we're going to do is we're going to try to find the best trades that happen inside our KISS chart dynamics, right? Now in this case, there was, when it flips short, you have to be real careful because is it near the Keltner channel? If it is, you have to be able to identify when it is plausible to trade to the Keltner channel and away from the Keltner channel, right? As you can see, it's very choppy. Let me real quick, I want to explain, as we're in this last trade, we're looking for the upper Keltner for the final target. We took the long on the green overtakes red, but what I want to do is I want to explain why do the Keltner channels work when we've identified them correctly on the correct day. 64% of the time, you're going to see that we open in narrow range. So you better have a plan for how to trade the narrow range. The reason that it works so well is all of the losing traders. I'm not using this as a derogatory term. All of the losing traders think that this is the next big breakdown, the next big breakout, and that they're going to capture it and they're going to take our money. But what we're showing is the breakdown and the breakout. That's not their money. That's our money. That's why they work so well. Everybody thinks, oh, look, it's going to break down. So they start shorting at the lows inside narrow range. Wrong. It's wrong. They start taking breakouts or anticipatory entry breakouts for the next move higher. Wrong. Let it tell you when it's time to start accelerating and playing the breakout strategy. The first way that you look at it is, are we inside or outside the narrowest range of the last 7 days? Are we inside or outside the narrowest range of the last 7 days? That is a method taught by Linda Ratchke, LBR. Okay? All right, Twitter, that's going to be it for that very quick review. We're just waiting for things to shore up here, and we're going to finish up our morning. I've got an afternoon full of client calls. Twitter, we'll see you tomorrow in the live trading desk, 0800 hours. The rest of you in YouTube, I'm going to flip it back. All right. We are looking good here. Even if I get stopped out, I'm going to be happy as a clam. Locking in $1,000 no matter what, folks. No matter what. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I've got the 8 EMA trailing my stop up, and we've got the upper Keltner holding my final target. They are on autopilot. If the upper Keltner starts to move back upwards, my target will go up as well. I will be ending the stream in 4 minutes no matter what because I have to switch over to my Zoom software. Let's get this last push in, shall we? Come on. Come on. Come on. Now, we all know why it's stopping at 38. Look. Oh, VPOC. Welcome back. One last push. Come on. Come on. Come on. One last push. Come on. Decision point right here at 38. Come on. Come on. I'll be shocked if it goes one tick above this. I'll be shocked if it prints 38.25. There's no way. There's no way it can go bid 38.25. There's no way. There's no way we go to 39, folks. Come on. This would be new buyers. Think about it. If it were to push higher through the VPOC right here, right now, it would be a new buyer. So to be long, you'd have to be anticipating a new buyer stepping in. You better have that data that supports that. Tony, I'm going to be just a couple of minutes. Just a couple of minutes here. And it's not like there's a bunch of volume coming through here. Look at this. Everybody's scared. Not scared. They're waiting. Why do we want to trade it at the most agreed upon price? We trade away from it, right? There's no way I get filled at 39. There's no way. One tick, Rick. Oh, no, wait. Sorry, no fill. 39, 19 contracts have traded. No fill for Rev. Everybody's playing the same game. Everybody's playing the same game. These guys are rat bastards. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Rude as hell. Look at this. Yeah, get up there. Yeah, go. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. The algorithms know, right? Okay, now they've got a bunch of bids on here and they're going to slam it on them. No fill. No fill at 39. Okay, we're going to end the stream here in about 40 seconds. I hope everybody's had a wonderful day. I'm nice and green. I'm looking really clean here. What? I'm looking really clean here. No matter what, I'm going to lock in 1,000. No matter what, I'm going to lock in 1,200. It looks like no matter what, 1,200. Fill me at 39 for that extra little sweet little nibble right into the noon hour, folks. The buyer is stepping in. That's a lot of green bars. Hello. Uh-oh. It's moved it up. The Keltner is expanding. And it's been a great day. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Thanks, everybody.